Once again, presenting to you Francine Diaz and Seth Fedelin. We have Franceth here with us. Live na live po tayo dito sa Gateway Cinema 11 for our Sins of the Father special screening and media conference. Ayun. Okay. Once again, Francine Diaz and Seth Fedelin. Hello, Franceth. Hello. Good afternoon. Meron po tayong quick interview portion with you guys. Of course, alam naman natin na you guys have had many movies, many teleseries together. And many na yon, oh, of course. Pero ano sa tingin nyo ang difference ng characters ninyo dito sa Sins of the Father?
Ay, sobrang iba po. Dito talaga masasabi namin na napasok na namin ang matured area namin as actors. Baka sabihin, matured roles. But in a way, matured na yung characters namin dito. Hindi na siya yung katulad before na talagang super pa-sweet or talagang teenager na mga characters. Here, adult na talaga, young adults.
At saka yung paano kami umarte, may bago kami natutunan, of course, tinrabaho namin, ng mga directors namin, Direct Bijoy, Direct FN. Yun yung pinagkaiba. Para sa tingin ko, yun yung sa mga ginawa namin. Iba to dahil parang kumbaga humakbang kami ulit ng panibagong genre o kaya panibagong tactics o panibagong diskarte para umarte.
Franceth, of course, right after My Future You, diba, na very sweet and cute. Ngayon naman, medyo intense sa Sins of the Father. Ano ang biggest challenge ninyo as a love team?
Biggest challenge dito? Madami. Ayaw namin masyadong sabihin kasi baka may ma-spoil ng mga stories or eksenas. Pero challenging siya in general. Kung paano kumilos characters namin, paano maglakad, magsalita, paano kahit yung paglingon namin, lahat yun.
Characterization yung pinaka-challenge namin dito. And talagang, kumbaga talagang kunento sa amin kung ano yung magiging character namin. Talagang pinaaral sa amin, talagang dapat naming paghandaan at dapat naming trabahuin. Kasi it's for our own good naman. So, yun.
I love it. Makikita po natin yung the growth ng Franceth, diba? I love it. Thank you so much, Francine and Seth. Congratulations sa Sins of the Father. One last photo op. Ayan. Okay. Thank you so much once again, Francine Diaz and Seth Fedelin. Seth as Enzo Rivera and Francine as Arisa Trinidad. Ngayon naman, joining us for our red carpet, we have Shaina Magdayaw as Leia Garcia.